Sir, 2024 was brilliant for you. शुरुआत हुई कहीं ना कहीं शैतान के साथ, उसके बाद सिंघम अगेन में हमने उसको एंड किया, और अब यहाँ पे इस फिल्म के साथ इस साल की शुरुआत होने जा रही है. What do you have to say on that? And I believe you have this very special something for this movie. Please talk to us about it, sir.
Hello everybody. स्पेशल मतलब ये फिल्म मेरे लिए काफ़ी मायनों में स्पेशल है. पहला तो ये कि इस फिल्म में 2 नए बच्चे लॉन्च किए जा रहे हैं, बोथ वेरी टैलेंटेड. एक जो मेरी कलीग और मेरे दोस्त की बेटी है, और एक अमन जो मेरे बेटे जैसा नहीं बट बेटा है. दोनों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, दोनों बहुत ही टैलेंटेड हैं. और अभिषेक, who is known to launch new stars, I would say, not kids, and he's always been successful with that. And बहुत patience है इसमें नए लोगों को, you know, I won't say झेलने का, but उनको संवारने का. But they've done very well, all of them. और दूसरा रीज़न मैं कहूँगा कि जो मेरा प्यार है घोड़ों के लिए. जब हमने शुरू किया था तो बहुत घोड़ों की फिल्में आती थी, और बहुत मज़ा आता था. सारा दिन हम घोड़े पे ही लगे रहते थे, घूमते रहते थे. बहुत टाइम के बाद फिर आई थिंक लास्ट वाज बहुत सालों के बाद थी तानाजी, बट अब फिर ये फिल्म. एंड अभिषेक हैज़ गॉट सम लवली हॉर्सेस, एंड यहाँ से भी और वहाँ से जो क्रू है, जो ट्रेन किया, जिस प्यार से घोड़ों को रखा. और हम लोग 40-45-50 डिग्री नियरली उसमें जयपुर में शूट कर रहे थे, और जिस तरीके से हमारी हालत थी और फिर जो घोड़ों को जैसे संभाला जा रहा था, आई थिंक इट वाज लवली टू वॉच. बहुत मजा आया.
All right. On that note, I'd like to invite on stage the very gorgeous, the very talented Diana Penty, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, we got to make some noise for her. Thank you so much. On behalf of all cinema lovers and your fans, I would say thank you so much for saying yes to this movie, to this project. Okay, so how was it working with this team of Azad? Please tell us.
This is a very, very special story. That's the first thing I want to say, is that I think this was the first time that I heard the narration from Abhishek, and I felt the feelings that I would have felt if I was watching the film. It was that powerful, and I knew instantly that it was a project I wanted to be a part of. I want to be part of telling this story to the world. To be able to be in a film helmed by Abhishek Kapoor and starring opposite Ajay Devgan was 2 things crossed off my bucket list, professional bucket list. So that had me right there. Also, to be able to play this character, it's probably one of the most layered, nuanced characters that I've ever played, in a world that I wasn't that familiar with. A very small town, traditional character, and in a period that we're all not obviously familiar with. So that also was very, very challenging and interesting, and it made me want to do it even more. But yeah, I think overall I'd say that this was a surreal experience, and just the most soul-stirring, most satisfying experience of my film career.
And now it's time to invite on stage the newcomers. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Aman Devgan and Rasha Thadani. Come on, we got to make some more noise for them. Aman, Rasha, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It's so good to see you. Okay, here we are. We have all these eminent journalists here. Like, abhi kya bolenge yahan pe after this response from them? And of course, whatever the teams just shared with us. Aman, we'll start with you. How special is this moment for you?
I think when we first started shooting this film, I was very nervous. I think we both were, because we were just starting out.
We're still nervous.
And I'm still nervous at this stage, but it's also accompanied with a lot of excitement, a lot of happiness. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि इतने सारे लोग यहाँ आए हैं, and I don't know, I think this moment will stay in my brain forever, till the end of time.
Right, one more thing. हर कोई जानना चाहता है. How was it working with this superstar here, Mr. Ajay Devgan?
I was so nervous. पहला दिन जब I shot with him, I was shit, what am I going to do? because I was not seeing the character. I was saying, shit, this is Mr. Ajay Devgan standing in front of me. But I think Gattu sir helped me a lot in that moment. He calmed me down. He said, अपने किरदार को पकड़ो. ये अजय देवगन नहीं है, nervous मत हो. And I think that helped a lot with what Gattu sir said. Yeah.
एंड वो दिख रहा है उस बड़े पर्दे पे, वो कंफर्ट दिख रहा है कि हाँ मुझे पता है मैं कहाँ हूँ और क्या कर रहा हूँ, वो कमाल की केमिस्ट्री दिख रही है. गिव इट अप फॉर अमन लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. मूविंग ऑन टू द स्टार, ऑलरेडी अ स्टार. वी सीइंग दीज रील्स एवरीवेयर, वी सीइंग दीज वीडियोस एंड दे आर लाइक ये तो यार बॉर्न स्टार है. राशा, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से स्टैंडिंग हियर सब लोगों के सामने एंड इतना सारा प्यार यू गेटिंग?
This is like a crazy moment for me. I don't think I ever would have imagined this, me being here with all these beautiful people, because I'm so thankful, whether it's Ajay sir, Gattu sir, Pragya, Ronnie sir, I'm so thankful. And my co-actors, Amman, Diana, Mohit, I've learned so much from all of them. And I'm actually blanking out. I'm that nervous and excited, and I'm so full of emotion. But this is a dream moment for me. I'm so grateful.